Hello, Barry Anderson at Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Now, guys, I have to admit, I did not see, usually I concentrate on the ones that are my biggest gainers from the open. These are more volatile plays. I just haven't seen tremendous follow through. So I thought I would take a look at this NVAX. It won 5 races, okay, vaccine play, of course. And the only reason I'm looking at it is because, on a daily chart, if I go to a daily chart right now, if you look left, at least there's a little bit of room. The next high is 21.18. So when we started seeing this, it was around $20. So a little bit of room. But, I'm not saying this is wonderful or anything like that. I just haven't seen too much follow through on anything today. And so, but I thought, okay, Novavax, people know this one. It's a virus play. So I thought I would highlight it and also highlight the fact that I do have the 2 races going. Large cap gainers, you're not going to see the tremendous moves here. Look at KSPN. Ooh, I should have maybe done the video on that one. But not going to see huge percentage movers, but a little less volatile. So anyway, today I decided to just highlight NVAX. All right, everybody. So I want to get back into the trading room. I'll open it tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern time and hope to see you then. Bye-bye.